We were having a fun time at the beach until it suddenly started pouring like crazy.
So we had to evacuate the beach and take refuge in a nearby cafe.
Close. Wow, let's work in the sea. So we're going to this cafe. Wow. No, where we had bingsu while staring at the sunset view. They even had an ocean view toilet. Who doesn't want to show their butt to every fish in the sea? We were taking sunset pictures in this cool spot and trying to ignore the bajillion sea cockroaches that were chilling around us.
You can definitely make a very cringe postcard like "Leave love love" with those pictures.
We had very average food at the gas station and got home around 11 p.m. I took the subway home in this outfit. Very chic, I know.
Finally, here is some ocean ASMR. See you for other adventures.